bridge. That ain't gonna work, honey. No! Nice. How we like it. Your blinker's still on. Oh, never mind. Yeah, here goes the sun now. For that car said it was supercharged, I have doubts in that shit. Why is the sun so bright? That's warming our earth. Oh, look, a horsey! Goodbye, horsies! You missed the horsies, they're on the left side. Yeah, it's on a giant hill, I remember this road. We good. I don't know, John. Yeah. Meow. It's coming home to meow. This is supposed to be like the best trail in Wisconsin. I don't know, dude. Wisconsin's pretty mid. Long lake. Yeah, you know what's funny, John? Right now I'm at 8,000 RPM right now, and I still got half the speedometer. Ah, shit! You're deceiving. No way. Yeah. Oh no. You mean abide by the law? I know. It's hard to think people actually do that. Oh, come on. I feel like a dick. I feel like such a dick doing that. fun. Well, the best part about these roads is like there's no cops because no one lives here. They probably give a shit, but we're gonna call when there's no cops to call. That squirrel. Nice. Oh, right in the uterus. All right. Do you want to go to the front? The front of the... Yeah. I don't know exactly where it is, but... Yeah, me. I am the bikes and people. Oh, big stick. I did! I said big ass stick. It's on the GoPro. I'll fucking show you. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I tried. Not gonna lie, I think I went the wrong way. Yeah, that's what I figured, but... Look at the doggy! Hello, doggy! What's she putting her hands up for? Bro, I was going like 45. Fuck you. I guess it's a lot different than what we're used to be going, so. Bro, flip this off, dude. Yeah, I'd be jealous if I was on the bike too, I'll be honest. Yep, you betcha. Even going that fast. That's the funny thing. Like, if they flipped us off for a good reason, I don't really care. But we weren't even going that fast. A little squirrely. Goodbye, squirrely. Hell yeah. Pump that. Oh. Bro, you know it's a good turn when it says 10 mile an hour turn. Those are all over Tennessee and shit. Fucking full lock this hoe. Oh shit! Hey, never mind, we're good. Ah, dear, get the fuck out of here! Ah! Ah! Oh shit. Fuck those deer. Fuck y'all. We're coming up here on the right. Hell yeah. Number 98. No, it's the next one. I think you're wrong, because this is the main gate sign that everybody goes to. You can't enter in there. You can go to the main gate sign. I know, it's just take a picture next to the gate sign. That's all you come here for. Whoa, Road America!
The station. Oh, you gotta put your phone there. Okay, I see it now.
Oof, we here, bitches.
Huh?
Bro! Fucker is still on his phone! He is still on his phone! Mid-turn, still on his phone. The guy in the passenger seat saw you. Bro, the guy in the passenger seat saw you, but not the actual fucking person. That is ridiculous, dude. Taking this one? I'm taking it. No, I'm just kidding. They're gonna get my plate. What up, roofers? What the fuck is this guy doing? What the fuck are they doing in there? What up, Maine? Doggy for sale? Hugga Duggaville? Temperature wise, it was like 90 when we first went out here, 90 something. The sun was on our ass. Throw up a gang sign. Throw up a gang sign. Throwing fours. In the Buick, they should make motorbikes. Oh shit. One lane here. Oh, I got you on this one, ho! Ah, god damn it! You're so lucky! Bro, I had you. I was inching and inching. I had you. I had you. Bro. You had a whole ass head start too. How is it so hard to behave on these things? It's just fucking ridiculous. I catch myself saying, I'm not gonna redline it next time. Redline's it next time. Every time you hit the throttle, it redlines. thing you lost was brain cells trying to think you can be faster than this bitch. Goofy ass KTM owner. Owie. I just hit a giant dragonfly. Is your face shield all full of bugs too? Yeah, don't smear it because it just goes everywhere. I tried that already once now.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you try.